In the new builder in Mailchimp, in order to add your logo, you need to go into what they call the brand kit. You can no longer simply upload your logo through the Content Studio. To access the brand kit, go to the Content tab on the left side, and then go down to Brand Kit. When Brand Kit opens, look for your logo. If your logo is not there, click on the existing logo. That'll briefly open a separate window on the side. Simply close that window. And then you'll have the option to add logo. Add your own logo. Once you've added your logo, you'll have the option to click on Primary to make it the primary logo. Now you'll need to get rid of the old logo that you no longer need because it's still labeled as primary. That's just a quirk of the way Mailchimp has this set up. Don't forget to save changes. And now you're finished setting up your logo. However, with our email templates, your logo will not automatically update inside the template itself. So go ahead and create your email campaign. And then when that opens, click on Edit Design. And up at the logo, click on that logo, and you'll see that you have the option now to add your logo by clicking. And that completes the process. Going forward now, your logo will always be there and available, so you won't have to update it again. You can simply go into the email, click the placeholder logo, and replace with your own logo.